How to join a WhatsApp group. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how you can easily join a WhatsApp group. First of all, I want you to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. So the very first thing you need to do is ensure your privacy settings allows the group invitations. To check that, open up your WhatsApp, tap on the three lines on the top right and head over to settings. Now you just have to tap on the privacy settings, and if you scroll down you'll see groups. Tap on it, and if you set this to everyone will be able to invite you to a WhatsApp group. If you only want your contacts to be able to invite you to a WhatsApp group, just set that. And if you want to add any exceptions, you can do that from here. So the first thing you do is set this to everyone, and now you just have to ask for the group admin to send you an invite link. And once you have asked the admin to send you a group invite, they could send you a chat link like this. Go ahead and tap on it, and you'll be directly joined on the group. Now, what else you can do is ask the admin to directly join the group. So go ahead and tap on join, and you should be able to join it. And the admin can also directly add you without actually sending you the group link if they are connected you in WhatsApp and they have your contact number. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you guys next time.